Nyquist allows you to simulate the effect of different sample sizes using a unit generator called Quantize. And what it does is it calculates a number of quantization levels and rounds the floating point signal to the nearest integer, and then converts it back into floating point. So this is what would happen if you were to play a sound using, say, 8-bit audio or even less. This was originally designed so that I could simulate and demonstrate the effect of quantization and using different word sizes for audio samples. But there are some types of music, for example, chiptunes, where this kind of gritty, quantized sound is just a characteristic of the music. And people have written some chiptune simulation libraries in Nyquist for doing that, and they use the quantized unit generator. The second parameter after the sound is the number of quantization levels. It does not have to be a power of 2. It can be any integer.